So Harbor Freight came out with their little roll cart, so y'all must have went straight to the drawing board, right? So guess what today is, guys? Another Snap-on Tuesday. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, what we have here today?
Well, let me show you what's going on. We just started a new drawing, pretty sweet. So first off, you purchase anything up here on top of either three of these shelves up here, you're automatically either going to get a free hat or a free t-shirt. Now, you spend 150 bucks on either three of these shelves, you're going to put your name on this Power of 25 card, which is pretty cool. Now, what we're going to do is we're actually giving 4 of these bad boys away too. 4 of these different speakers. They're Killpesh speakers. They're pretty sweet. They're about a $400 speaker. Been around for a very long time. Very, very well-known brand. Now, you spend 250 bucks up here. You're going to put your name on this Power of 25 card twice. And then also, if you purchase anything with a sticker on it, some of your sockets have it on it, you're going to quadruple your odds, and you're going to put your name on here 4 different times. So, it gives you a really good chance at winning the speaker. You got tons of variety up here as well. You purchase something as simple as a set of picks, you're going to get either a shirt or a hat there with it for free. Got our limited edition colors when it comes to your yellow, your dark titanium. There's also to our new Power Blue color. Pretty sweet there. In your multi-position ratchet that flexes 360 degrees. You can lock
it. They make that in a cushion grip?
They do, yes sir, they do.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Also too, we got other variants of your 3/8 drive ratchets. You got your normal flex. There's also to your fixed ratchet. And then next to it, we do have your extra long 1/2-inch drive ratchet, as was also to there with your unique grips, or your unique handles. Next to it, we got your 1/2-inch drive sockets. We got your deeps and your shallows, metric and standard, both there marked down on a deal.
Right.
Got your FDX sockets as well there with your tighter tolerances. Got your 1/4 inch, your 3/8, as well as to a couple of your normal sets. I guess actually, yeah, a couple of your normal sets there as well. In the back here, we got your semi-deep impact standard sockets there on the deal as well.
I think I already have those. I already got those.
Now, what about a sweet set of Privars? With your striking end, we got your blue, and then also to your high vis there.
You know, I think I have this same color, this blue. Is that blue?
Power Blue is actually our newer color. So we haven't had Power Blue. You may have Pearl Blue.
Maybe Pearl Blue.
Which is a lighter blue. But this is actually a brand new color we just came out with. But then also too, we got your dark titanium master set of snap ring pliers on a deal as well, which this will get you 2 entries there on your Power of 25 card. Your dark titanium. You know, what I think you need, Charles, is this set and the matching set of pliers as well with the plier rack. That's also 2 there on a deal.
See, I think I got these in the red, but I don't think it comes in a bigger size. I think I only get 1. Is that what it was? It's only 1 in the bigger size?
I think you got the 7-piece set. Because this is our master set, and the set down from this is a 7-piece set. Does it come in a nice, like, little plastic tray?
Yeah, I had the little red plastic tray.
Yeah, that's gonna be your 7-piece.
7-piece.
Yeah,
your 7-piece set. Then also too, we got variants of different wrenches up here too, Charles. We got obviously just your normal set that goes from 10 to 19, still with your Flank Drive Plus. Next to it, we got your big sets of wrenches that go from, pull it out here so you can see it, go from 20 to 24 millimeter. Those as well have Flank Drive Plus. Great for trying to get something that's super tight and try and break it loose.
Right.
Guys at dealerships love them for alignments. Grabbing tie rods, they grab like no other wrench out there on the market. We got your 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive extensions down here. Or I guess just 3/8 and yep, there's your 1 set of 1/2-inch there. On special, they are all your straight extensions. Got those there on the deal. Got lots of your screwdrivers. Got each color left there. There's also we're down to just the dark titanium and then the high vis hammers up there on special. All warranty for life. Your mallets and your ball peen style hammers.
I kind of like that high vis yellow.
It's gonna be hard to lose.
Yeah, you're right. I got a whole drawer full of red. I think I probably got all of them actually. Just all in red.
Even the 12-pounder?
I think so.
Oh, you got the big boy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hey, you gotta watch my video. I think I got a video on all my mallets. I think I do.
Manual,
You watch my video? Look at that. Look at that. Man, I like this box too. Yeah, I gotta get back on this Snap-on Tuesday, man. It was a good video. Good videos.
I tell you,
Yep.
I really like that power blue. It's a good looking color.
It's a sweet color.
Yeah, it is. I'm just a big fan of the cushion grip.
The cushion grip?
Yeah.
You said you wanted that one, cushion grip? I know I can get it. I don't have it on the truck, but I know for sure I can get it.
I think, as a matter of fact, I think y'all had it. Y'all might have had it on a promo, and I passed it up.
That was the
'Cause I think
right here behind you. I got the 1/4 inch.
I was trying to get my bill down. Actually, that's what I was trying to do. What are you? What are the truck? $20?
$626.
Huh?
$626.
God, dog.
Way too
Ooh, my wife gonna kill me.
Hey, well, she don't know won't hurt her.
She gonna know when she see this video. I'm sorry, baby.
Here's that soft
Oh man, I like that.
with the multi-position.
How much is that?
Looking at price. Foxtrot Hotel.
And then I'll
80 Mary Pop. 174 for that ratchet.
God, dog. I'm gonna have to trade some stuff in for that one. No, I'm gonna wait. I'll wait till I get my bill down a little bit.
Okay.
Charles, they also did introduce a brand new style of roll cart here. Has an extra deep top section, so it's built to hold your power tool organizers. You can put your 1/2 inch, 3/8 cordless and air tools up here. Leaves you with a wide open space to work with if you want to fit sockets or just work out of the top. Going down, it has a single drawer, single 1 inch for your skinnier tools. Moving down, they do give you a deeper divided speed drawer.
Right.
You can divide it and set it up however you'd like. Then moving down, they give you one more 4-inch drawer and then a 6-inch drawer at the bottom. This one happens to have the included power cord that runs on the side, so you have power for your chargers and the top of the box.
Right.
It also has a cord wrap that's built into the handle.
I like that. That is crazy. So tell me. So Harbor Freight came out with their little roll cart, so y'all must have went straight to the drawing board, right?
Well, they must have been planning this out for a while because sometimes it's not quick in the Snap-on world, but
Yeah.
they seem to put a lot of thought into this one, especially with the growing rise of cordless tools
Exactly.
in the market. Just be able to find a way to access them easily and have them right where you need them all the time.
Man, I like that.
Because I know when you got a big box, it's really hard to move everything around. So
Right.
with this, again, just trying to provide more solutions.
And I'm not so mobile where I need a cart, but I like, actually this would be good to take home actually.
If you're in the garage, yeah, I mean, if
Yeah.
you're doing side work at the house, you got all your power tools right there. Batteries are already fully charged on the racks, ready to rock and roll.
Actually, I wish I had a drawer that was just like this. But I know my plan is to get a locker so I can put my power tools in the locker.
Well, on your even your Epic Series roll or toolboxes. Now this one doesn't have it, but you can get it to where you have a power tool rack
Right.
that will look just like that you can hang all of your power tools in that drawer.
That's probably what I need to do, honestly, because I got a drawer full of power tools, but they're all laying down. I like to have them sitting up like
Racks?
that. Yeah. Look, give me a quote on that. As long as it ain't $1,000, we might do that.
That is a special.
But I have to have a special drawer, right? My drawer has to be so deep. Cause I might have an old Epic, right?
Do you have a power drawer?
I don't have a power drawer.
Then yeah, you have to have a power drawer for it to mount in there.
Okay.
But
So in other words, you tell me I need a new box.
Exactly. We'll always take trades.
What do you do?
84 Epic for 84 Epic.
Hey, he just said he needed a locker, so why don't we just go ahead and trade that one in? Go ahead and get you the color you want with the locker already on there.
My wife would kill me if I do that. I had to wait on that. I'm waiting on my hutch. Supposed to ship at the end of the month. Yeah, I like this box though, actually. This box on the promo.
Always.
What's the deal on this box?
The box was running around $8,500.
Hear that, guys? $8,500. 68-inch Epic. What's the color called?
Storm gray.
Storm
and then
gray.
Blacked out.
Black and storm gray. Oh, did y'all get the August flyer?
Yes.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's the only reason I came, get the August flyer. Oh yeah.
I will say for all your viewers who may have other Snap-on dealers, just contact your dealer for best pricing.
Oh yeah. We have a video on this one coming soon. Man. I might take me a loan out so I can start buying some more tools.
Let's do it. New product here as well. I don't know if you got to see that last week, but it's the 18-volt light. Runs off your 18-volt batteries. You can also plug it in with an extension cord on the side.
Man, that's badass. Actually, we was looking at that $300 vacuum cleaner.
A vacuum cleaner, she is good.
You know here pretty quick, Phil, he's getting his own route.
Yeah, he was telling me that. Yeah,
And you're probably going to be seeing me a lot more nice.
Yeah.
Pretty permanent.
yeah, hell yeah.
Next
I
week,
told
that's
Phil
it.
I'm gonna go hop in his little van he gonna have.
Little 16 footer.
I will say, next week, that's it.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, hell, I know I'll see you again.